Okay, this is going to be a good video. We got something that I just went and picked up at Lowe's from Joshua Wilson again. So this is going to be a really good one. But first, I want to show you something else. Let's go over here to my toolbox and I'll show you some stuff. Okay, this stuff is from Robert Tools and Tactics. All I was really expecting him to send, I mean, I wasn't expecting anything, but he said he found the chuck for the installation driver that he gave me. So he was going to send that and a battery for the flex. But he said something about it leaking. I don't see it leaking anywhere. It may be, I don't know. Maybe it's just leaking inside. Maybe he took it apart. I don't know. But I wasn't expecting him to send all this other stuff. He sent Milwaukee batteries, M12 batteries, 2 of them, and all this other stuff. That's pretty cool. The Milwaukee box cutter. Pretty cool. Anyway, I just want to show everybody that. There is one thing I want to show you on this, one of these tape measures. So let me open it up a little bit and I'll be able to show you. All right, first off, this tape measure, hopefully you can see that. This tape measure is awesome. I like this. You can really see this good. I guess that's focusing. Anyway, that's that one. But look at this one. Check this out. Now, I know Harbor Freight has one like this, and everybody thinks it's funny, but check this out. You see this? Now, for some reason, that does not look like it's focusing. Hold on. Okay, there we go. I turned my light on my toolbox on. So now you can see it. You see this? Top side is normal for everybody that knows how to read a tape measure, but the bottom has all the sizes on there, so in case you don't know what you're doing and you don't know how to read a tape measure, there you go. That's pretty cool, huh? Anyway, I thought that was neat. So let's get back over there and get into the good stuff. Okay, I wasn't trying to say that stuff over there isn't good stuff, but this is even better. This is new stuff. So I appreciate Robert for sending me that, and I really appreciate Joshua Wilson for sending me this. So, like I said, let's get into it. Okay. Are you seeing that? Stacked lithium. That's awesome. I think that's their new version of their batteries, which is great. A 5-year warranty, but I just seen that they extended their lifetime warranty to the end of 2024. So I'm going to register this, and it should have a lifetime warranty on it, which is awesome. Y'all reading that? I know you want to get into the tool. A lot of people want to see the box too. I don't know why, but anyway, here it is, and you know what that is. A lot of you might not. That's to eject the tool out of there. That's pretty neat, so you don't have to pull on it to release it. Anyway, let me turn the box around. Show you more stuff. Hopefully you can see all that. And if you need to look at it any longer, just pause the video. Quick eject collet. That's what I was just pointing at, that button. Okay, so let me get this thing opened up. And oh, also it comes in this awesome hard case too. Not a flimsy little bag. Anyway, let me get this thing opened up and show you better. All right, here it is. This is the box or the case. Pretty cool case. I'm going to take it out of this and, you know, get the camera up on the tripod and show you everything. But I just want to show you as I see it, as I open it, and show you how it looks in the case, packaged before I open everything up, right? More cool flex stickers. Of course, the manual. That's the tool. Pretty neat. That looks like an insert. Like you could take this out and use this case for anything. This comes out, looks like. That's pretty neat. Anyway, let me get everything opened up and show you better. And I'll get the camera up on the tripod. Let's get into it. Okay, first I'm going to show you the charger. It's bigger, wider charger than the one I already have that Robert sent me. This one says, what does it say? Rapid charger. I think the other one just says fast charger. So this one is maybe faster. I don't know. But I know it's bigger than the other charger. I can't really see the writing, you know, where it says fast charger, rapid charger, whatever, on the other one because it's mounted like that on the box. So anyway, that's cool. So I guess everybody knows where that's going to go, right? Crap. Not crap. It's going to go right over there on the wall. Probably. I might just leave this charger in this case. That way, if I need to go anywhere and take this, I can just throw this in here and the battery, or 2 batteries, and be good to go. There, I might do that. And then if that other charger ever messes up, then I'll just put this charger on the wall. You know, they're mounted, but you can take them off the mount. Just let me show you what I'm talking about. It's just screws in the wood, and then you put it in here and it pops down. You should already know what I mean by that, right? Anyway, let's get to this first. This is the FX 1371A. This is freaking awesome, but check this big old huge battery out. 6 amp hour battery. This sucker's like lifting weights compared to some. It's huge. You see it's what mode it's on. And speaking of that, let me show you the book. That way I don't have to explain it and get something wrong. You can read the book or look at the book, the page that's in the book, and you can pause the video if you need to look at it any closer or any longer. Again, let me go back up to that. That's all the different modes, what they're for and everything. Okay, so now that's out of the way. Now it comes with a belt clip, you know, that screws to the side of the tool. It also comes with a little bit holder. Whoa. Can y'all see that? It also screws to the other side if you're going to use the belt clip, you know, whichever side you decide to put the belt clip on, this can go on the other side to hold your bits. Just holds 2 of them, but hey, it does hold them. And guess what? It just so happens to come with 2 bits, number 2 Phillips and a T25. Whoa, can you see that? Torx. So that's probably the 2 most common anyway, right? That's pretty cool. Now, about the, let's put this in the middle. About the, can you see that thing moving right there? You can't just push this bit in, which I kind of wish you could. I know Ryobi you can't. You got to pull out the collet and push it in, and then you got to pull it out to remove it. But Milwaukee and some of the other tools, you don't have to do that. You just push it in, and it goes in. And of course, you got to pull it out to take it out and remove it. But this you have to do both ways, taking it out and putting it in. But you don't have to pull anything. You just push this button in right here on the front, and it goes in. You see how that comes out? And you just push it in, and it comes out. And of course, it's kind of stiff because it's new. You know, there that is, right? Anyway, it'll get worn in where the bits will go in and out better. I mean, they're not hard, but I'm just saying. But this thing is awesome. And as you can see, I got a little bit better or different view, rather, of the garage here. Instead of the camera being set up over here to my left, facing the garage door, I got it the other way. That way it's facing my banner, right? That's what it's all about. Anyway, that's all I got for this one. Thank you very much, Joshua Wilson. I really was not expecting this. I have to say, I don't really like to admit this, but when I picked this up and I got back to my truck, you know, at Lowe's, I might have teared up a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. I don't admit stuff like that, but I don't have people doing this kind of thing for me. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. That's all I got for this one. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.